New Hampshire Civics' mission is to promote, to develop, to nurture and maintain an informed and engaged New Hampshire citizenry in the democratic process. We do that through education around our founding documents. We do that by teaching teachers and teaching students the skills that are needed for effective citizenship, as well as the attitudes and dispositions of effective citizenship.
Civics education keeps students and citizens community focused. And I think it provides, at a time in their life when they are really focused on their careers and what are they going to go to college for and what are my individual goals going to be, a reminder of there's this bigger thing than just you that is really important and that requires you to think about more than just yourself.
It's not just the government that you're learning about. You're also learning about communication and working together and how to act in public. I was pretty good at public speaking, but I feel like this made me a lot better at it, and I felt more comfortable talking in front of bigger groups of people.
Civics education really aims to ensure that we have the skills that we can inform and teach with and guide students intergenerationally.